So here's our progress on the house. So far we put all new board on the roofing. We tore all the old roofing off, reboarded the entire new roof. Crazy, new board is actually cheaper than OSB, so we figured we'll go board. So we boarded this whole section here. We built brand new soffit out through here, put drip edge in. The upper we put all new runners in, and then we also put all new sheeting on, 1-inch sheeting, and then we just put the underlayment, the sticky down today. We built these soffit edges because they're all ripped out and rotten. So you can see we used charred larch here, and then we built it up underneath too. So we kicked it out about 13 inches, the same off the front. And then off to the other side, we got to keep some of this board here was actually pretty good. You can see down below where it was a little shitty, we tore it out and put new stuff in. So yeah, ended up saving like a couple grand on OSB. And then we built out the soffit edge on this side too. We just got done putting the drip edge on, and then right now we're getting ready to put the upper coating of the roofing on, and then the fascia, and then the soffit. Then we'll be done in the heat for today.